Asifa Khan, are you quoting selectively because is it true or not that in 2004, in 2004, Asifa Khan, 1 minute, listen to me. In 2004, the Maharashtra government ordered an inquiry to find out.
Make some legal points.
No, 1 second. Legal point. My question. 1 second. Let me ask Asifa a question.
No, I have to counter what Sanjay and Mr. Sinha have spoken.
But you have to let me counter Asifa, please.
I have the answer to your question. See, the biggest number of encounters taking place in the country are in the state of Maharashtra, UP and Andhra Pradesh. Okay, these are the states where you can see, check for yourself the records that the greatest number of police encounters are taken in these 3 states, number 1. Number 2, I want to tell you, why is it that you didn't file, you indict Sri Krishna Commission report of 1993, if you check, it is there for all of us to see, where the Congress party has used 1993 riots as a political plank during 1999.
Arnab, can we get the debate onto this issue? There are again divergent tactics here.
Addressing the point.
You told the Muslims of Maharashtra that you will convict all the 19 policemen who were accused, who were actually stated in the Sri Krishna Commission report.
You know, 1 second, Ms. Asifa Khan, let's come straight to the point. Please, I've heard you out. My question is to Meenakshi Lekhi. Meenakshi Lekhi, 1 minute. Meenakshi Lekhi, my question is to you. My question is to Meenakshi Lekhi, please.
The nation. Why did you promote those 19 policemen? The report is there for the nation to see.
The question is political, isn't it? The question is political. Your question is political. Let me just come straight to the politics, please. 1 second, please. Meenakshi Lekhi. 1 second, please. May I please? Will you allow me, please?
Yes, please.
The question is this, Sanjay Jawan.
Yes, please.
The question is this. Is there a fear that this, after Modi's announcement, this is an attempt to torpedo Modi? And let's come to that point. Is there a fear this is an attempt to torpedo Narendra Modi? Meenakshi Lekhi's turn. Meenakshi, tell me why.
And Amit Shah. Yeah, I'll tell you why I think so. I think so because 880 encounters happened in the country during that point, and only 8 encounters during this interregnum happened in Gujarat, whereas these 8 encounters are labelled as fake, and every other encounter in the whole country is a true encounter. And most of those encounters that Asifa ji was saying have happened in Andhra Pradesh, Maharashtra, run by Congress regime, and BSP was running UP where 85 encounters happened. 72. I'm sorry, what is the difference between fake and real? Every encounter happening in Gujarat becomes fake, and every encounter happening in rest of the Congress party run government is true. And 85, 72, 79.
Why do you think, Sanjay Jha, let her complete, why do you think it's an attempt to fix Modi? Why do you think it's an attempt to fix Modi?
The courtesy which I showed you.
Why do you think it's an attempt to fix Modi?
Because I'll tell you, this is exactly how they have conducted themselves in the past, whether it was a case of saffron terror, whether it's a case of encounters, whether it's SIT or riot cases. Now, 2012 riots have happened in the country, a complete blanket on any reporting or any question or any NHRC or anything that has happened in Assam. Everything, riots have happened in Andhra Pradesh, not a word. Encounters happened in Jaipur, not a word. Encounters happened in Uttar Pradesh, not a word. Now, all this you see that far greater violence is happening across the country, and especially in Congress-run states, or Congress supporting the states.
Ami Yagnik wants to respond to you. Ami Yagnik, Sanjay Jha, 1 minute. Ami Yagnik.
The investigative agencies are doing their job.
Ami Yagnik's turn, Sanjay Jha. Ami Yagnik comes into the debate. The BJP says quite clearly today.
Arnab, 1 minute. Sanjay, this is the same BJP that celebrates when Pawan Bansal is investigated. When anybody when Naveen Jindal gets an FIR, they are saying, well, CBI is doing a great job. But whenever, when Mayawati blames the BJP, then they say, no, that is political. This time it's Ami Yagnik's turn.
Reaching a very poor and a pedestrian level of debate with the BJP
problem.
that CBI is
I'm sorry,
again
ma'am.
being misused because CBI will never investigate the money. And
Arnav,
CBI
please
will
let
never,
me speak.
because in coal block allocation, it was the Prime Minister who was in charge. MOS, you will finish him as a scapegoat. And you will not meet
Arnav,
the
can
real
we do this
culprit.
discussion?
And that
One
is
second,
where
Sanjay Jha, please, I request you to let Ami Yagnik come in, please. I will, one second, Ami Yagnik, please. Ami Yagnik, and only Ami Yagnik now. Ami Yagnik is responding
Arnav,
to Meenakshi
Arnav,
Lekhi, who
first
says
thing-
this is an attempt to fix Modi.
First-
Yes.
Yes, let me answer. First of all, you know the timeline of the matter. In June 2004, 4 people are kidnapped, they're taken in police custody and cold-bloodedly murdered and killed. To the advantage
You
saying
are
that they are
saying they're
terrorists,
kidnapped.
they have come to attack the CM and the CM is going to be assassinated.
haven't done that.
Thereafter, a complaint
Which
is
CM
filed
have
and
you
FIR is
ever
filed.
fixed?
2 officers of Gujarat,
minister
two
for that
officers of
matter.
Gujarat conduct a probe and they say it was a genuine shootout. In September 2009, after 5 years,
Yes.
a magisterial probe takes place and that report says in 243 pages that it was a
Report cannot be
cold-blooded
managed.
killing by promotion-hungry officers and trigger-happy cops. And all these cops who are now sought to be arrested are named in 2009 report. Thereafter, the government of Gujarat gets the report, stayed in the Gujarat High Court. It has to travel to the Supreme Court. Meanwhile, Ishrat Jahan's mother, Shamima, has filed a petition in the court saying that please transfer this matter to the CBI. It does not get transferred to the CBI. The matter goes on in the High Court. SIT is formed, special investigation team is there, and the Gujarat cops unearth a larger conspiracy and say that it is definitely a fake encounter. This 19-year-old girl was kidnapped from Mumbai, brought into police custody, killed and then put near the Kotar works, water works, and then an FIR is filed. There are 3 SIT reports, all from the Gujarat police officers, saying that it is a cold-blooded murder. It is not the CBI who has come up with this report. In 2011, after a lot of hearing in the High Court tells this SIT to file an FIR with the CBI, which the CBI does it in December 2011, pursuant to the High Court's order.
But how come you come to a conclusion that the state government, how do you come to a conclusion the state government had a role?
No, it does
How do you come to a conclusion the state government had a role?
How is this timeline?
Let me
How do you come to a conclusion the political
5.5
masters had a role?
No, the CBI does not do
5.5 years, the magistrate, without forensic evidence, comes to a
Part of the
conclusion.
intelligence of the state.
Ami Yagnik.
Madam,
No,
please
Arnav,
read the report.
that is a very
It is
critical
clear
question.
talking about
What-
the
what-
Niger-
what
I have
was the
read the
police of
record
Gujarat
that
doing?
by speaking about the
No, you have
timeline,
not
the
read.
motive
Police of
doesn't
Gujarat
go.
are working
And
under
the
the Home
motive,
Ministry
the
of
motive
Gujarat.
is very, very clear. I have read.
what
And
about
5.5 years
all
later,
these-
when forensic
all
evidence
these
is done away
inputs
with,
which
at
go
that time
straight
all
to
this
the
is
CM's
coming out,
office.
and somebody who is a power
How do you
hungry,
delink the
who
CM's
wants
office?
to be, who wants to
How
get
do you
promotion.
delink the Home Minister?
On one side you
How
say
do you
promotion
delink the
hungry.
statements that are there
Of
to
course I
appeal to
delink.
the CM?
Exactly.
Tell me.
Arnav,
One second, Sanjay Jha, please, not 3 people.
85
Only between Ami Yagnik and Meenakshi Lekhi.
880 encounters has even been questioned. Tell me that.
You
Andhra
forget
Pradesh
about
Home
the
Minister was
encounters.
questioned.
You talk
Your
about these encounters
your
that
6
have taken
ministers,
place
your 6
2002,
ministers.
and
I will talk about.
only
I will talk about this
FIR
encounter
which is not
with
there.
reference to 880
Were you
encounters
wanting to
in this
get some
country.
kind of a gas
880 encounters.
Why are you
No,
asking
yes,
for a
I am talking about this.
Has
The
been
kind of
fake
security,
encounters?
the kind of
Yes.
security you provide to corrupt people and you provide to stooges
There
is
is
for
no
everyone
rule
to
of
see.
law.
And the way
It is
you
the
have
Gujarat
managed and
cops who have
manipulated the
unearthed all
system
this.
for political
And it is
gain.
the 13 cops in
Oh,
Gujarat,
Gujarat
who have
cops.
filed a
I mean,
petition
Gujarat
that
cops are
please
different
give
from
this
the
to
IB
CBI.
cops. IB is wrong, Roy is wrong, everybody is wrong. You are
IB
right.
has given fake alerts, and that
The
is why,
affidavit
madam,
filed
the
by
officers are being
the
arrested.
affidavit
Please
filed
look
by
at the
the IB
record.
is wrong.
Don't shoot in
I
the
think
dark.
what should be investigated
Don't shoot
is
in the
how
dark.
the IB affidavit
Read
was
the
changed
report.
and who got it changed.
Read
That
the
is
report,
what
please.
should be investigated.
Please read the report.
We have seen how coal block affidavit was intervened
Don't
by the
bring the
central
CBI.
government.
CBI
Similarly,
is absolutely
IB's
impartial.
affidavit has been
It has
intervened and
arrested
tampered
our
with.
ministers from the
And
ruling
let's
party.
question that. Who
Every time
who
you
got the
have used the
affidavit
Gujarat
changed?
machinery
Which
for
minister
your
was involved
political purpose.
and which officers were involved?
You
Political
have used
purpose,
the
you are
Gujarat
using it.
machinery for your
You are
political
wanting to
purpose.
change the
Yes.
IB affidavit. Who's using it?
We are not
I have
going to
nothing to
change
gain.
anything. The
Only
record
you
is
have
there.
everything to
You
gain.
can't change the call
Of course
record.
you have. Of
You
course you
can't
have.
change the call
I mean, Jammu
record.
Kashmir Home
That
Minister has
But
been thrown
Meenakshi
out.
Lekhi,
Andhra
but
Pradesh Home
Meenakshi
Minister has been
Lekhi,
thrown out.
but
Uttar
Meenakshi
Pradesh
Lekhi,
Home
1 minute,
Minister has
please.
been
No,
thrown out.
Meenakshi Lekhi.
Why
Miss
such luck for
Meenakshi
Gujarat?
Lekhi, Miss Meenakshi Lekhi, please. You see, this whole business, the government misuse of agencies, it's become, I'm sorry to say, the most convenient excuse for the BJP to cover up. If the BJP has nothing to hide,
No,
why are you objecting to the CBI's move? Let the
on
CBI,
facts,
let the
on
CBI
facts.
question
I
anyone.
tell you.
Yes, why
I tell
don't
you.
you
Let the CBI question anyone.
I'll tell you.
Are you apprehensive?
I'll tell you
What does the
something.
BJP have to
I'll tell
hide?
you where the question is.
What does the
I'll tell you
Gujarat
where the
government have
question
to
is.
hide?
I'll tell you where the question is. I'll tell you. You guys don't want to hear? I'm sorry, forget the justice. We have seen
No,
how
we don't
justice
want to hear
system
what
has
is not true.
operated in how
Not
the
true, we
titler
don't
has
want to
been
hear.
absconding, how everybody else has been absconding. We know
talk
how the
about
justice
Ishrat
system has
Jahan's case,
worked in
please.
this country when it is about Congress. Why should I talk about this case? How is this case different from all the 84 riot cases?
Because
How is this
you have
encounter
been
different from
dilly-dallying the
880
case for
encounters
9 years.
across the country? How is this?
I am going
Come on,
to,
I'm
going to ask, I'm going to put this, I have two questions. I have two questions to ask,
You don't
and
find evidence at that
I
time.
want to be allowed
9
an
years
opportunity
later,
to
you
put
will
my
get the
questions
evidence.
out.
What are you talking?
I want to be allowed an
Then
opportunity.
forensic evidence has gone away.
I want to be allowed an opportunity.
Arnav, I think you should come in the picture.
Thank you for letting me in.
Now we should take the debate in its right direction.
Thank you very much for
Arnav,
letting
I
me
think
come
time
in.
has come for you
Thank
to
you,
take
thank you
over.
for letting me come in.
Yeah,
I am
no,
most
we are-
grateful. I am obliged.
Yeah, please come in.
That you have allowed me to come into the debate. The question is this, Mr. Mukul
I think
Sinha, you
it's
know
the
what
right time.
emerges to me quite clearly is that this is happening now. I'm not saying it's political, but I think it would be foolish to assume that this is not happening in a political context. Even you, Mr. Mukul Sinha, will admit it. That this case has strong political
I will tell you
overtones.
something.
Let's not
Okay,
live in
okay.
let's not live in
Give
an
me a
Alice in
minute.
Wonderland situation and
Give me
assume
a
this does
minute.
not have
It doesn't.
political overtones. Of course it does.
Arnab, it doesn't.
I do not know what Alice would have
Anytime
done
it
in
could
this
happen, you would say
situation.
it's political.
But Arnav,
If it
give me a
happened 3
minute.
months ago, it's political. If
Mr.
it
Jha,
happened 3
please,
months
you know,
later, it's
Mr. Jha,
political. I'm
Mis-
sorry,
Mis-
there's no timing in it.
Mr. Jha.
Investigation does not have to have a timing.
Arnav,
I think you're being very
let's
cynical.
understand.
Last word to
Don't let
Mukul
any matter
Sinha.
proceed
Last
for
word to
9
Mukul
years.
Sinha on this debate,
second,
please.
one
Mukul Sinha, please.
Sure.
Yeah, I will tell you one thing, that it is not just this case. We are, if you take the other encounter like the Sadiq Jamal or the Sohrabuddin and the Tulsi, in that already the evidence has gone up to the Home Minister, and there is very likely that there will be sufficient evidence even for the number one.
But why-
And let me tell you, merely because the evidence points towards a political person, the matter doesn't become political.
No, but it will be asked
Otherwise,
that why is there
if
so
you are
much
a
action?
politician-
The moment
if you are
Amit Shah,
a
the moment
politician,
no,
above the law?
Watch, I'm not saying, I'm saying why
which other
is the
Home
moment
Minister?
Amit Shah is appointed as in charge of Uttar Pradesh for the BJP, the BJP says the moment that happens there is action, the CBI springs into action.
No,
see,
no,
this
he
is
has
only a
not.
question.
It is the other way around. It is the other way around. It is the other way around. It is
It's that
Amit
question,
Shah
not mine.
has got a bail before that. It is not that
Okay,
he got
gentlemen,
arrested at that
the
time.
question to the
I think
viewers
you get the
tonight is
facts
this.
right.
Do you think the Ishrat Jahan
In
case
fact- in
will be
fact,
clouded in a
Arnab,
political
the case
context?
is already long delayed.
With
Better
Sanjay
late than
Jha, it
never.
has been
It's
long
already a
delayed, but
delayed
yet
case.
it will be asked why now? Can the context be removed from what is happening?
What do you mean?
To my panelists tonight, I thank you for joining me on the
Better
debate.
late than
5.5
never.
years
Eventually, the court will decide.
To arrest
14, they
people
have to
only
file
on
a final
whims.
report.
Eventually, the court will decide. Thank you very much for
That is
joining
not
me.
the